Welcome to Ontario and the campus of Ridley College, where students from 30 countries are together creating a unique atmosphere in which to learn, develop and achieve, all in the spirit of service. Let's go in to find out how. This is one of the oldest and most prestigious independent schools in Canada. Ridleyans, past and present, have earned a reputation for academic brilliance and also the depth of skill and interests they take to the wider world. A world that's reflected the moment you set foot on campus.
It's really amazing to walk around and see people from all different countries speaking all different languages. It's like an amazing experience.
The school's really helpful, really supportful with that kind of thing. They know that I'm, an international student. So the one thing I'm definitely going to be taking away is my independence.
From the moment students arrive, they're welcomed into Ridley's house system. Each one has its own identity, culture and traditions.
Ridley does a fantastic job of bringing in students from around the world and making them feel integrated right away here at the college.
Definitely, they mold together as a family, and the family works together. They love it, basically. They love being together with their friends. It's a whole new experience for them, and it fosters their independence.
The house system here is a tremendous opportunity for students to learn skills, leadership skills, learn skills in communication, working with each other, learning to build relationships quickly and effectively and maintain those relationships over a long period of time.
Do you remember whether it's alpha or beta glucose units?
The core ethos running through life at Ridley is how learning can help students to grow, serve and succeed throughout their lives.
We want these kids to go out into the world and we want them to be world leaders, world researchers. And I use that, and I do an awful lot of DNA research here. We've been involved with the Human Genome Initiative for a number of years. They do a lot of DNA work, transformation studies, things along that sort of timeline.
I think the difference with Ridley and other schools, because I also went to summer school, I think that, and you can really tell it when you're sitting in a lesson with Mr. Malik, that he's really, really passionate about biology.
I really love the diversity of the school. You have people from all these different countries, and it's just a great experience being here.
But faculty staff from all walks of life share a similar real-world ideal.
We live with these kids 24/7. We're not sending them home at the end of the day. So I think being able to live with each other is it's a little microcosm of what's going on out there. We did a poem today in my class, my 12 class, about 9/11. And I had a Russian kid in the same group as a Korean kid, an American kid, and they were all tackling the issue.
This is a unique school, British in style, founded on Canadian principles, offering an international curriculum to students from around the world.
I've been able to go and meet Ridleyans almost at any corner of the world, and they've got a sense of coming back to this place. This is the heart, and something sticks in them, which I don't believe is normal in most schools. I think if they go out with that sense of good humour, sense of connecting with people, and probably the sense that collaborative systems of the future are going to be the most important ways of moving ahead in life, then I think they've learned something really valuable.
Crucially, that focus sets Ridley apart from many others, which is echoed again by students themselves.
I think what I'm taking away from the school place is the open-mindedness towards other cultures and people, and just to try to make the best of every situation.
Ridley College has been called a timeless original, where each student can take the lessons they've learned here into the wider world, serving the people around them and living life to the fullest.